start the season with a win is the very best medicine, really, and to get 2 wins in a row really would make them look ahead with great optimism.
Yeah, I mean, it would be laying down a marker so early on in the season. 2 wins out of 2. It's there for them here, I think.
Good, strong challenge.
Stefano Pettinari.
Almost lost his balance, but didn't. Straightforward stop from an effort from a long, long way out.
One or 2 tackles early on. He's given the free kick here. He's going to get his message across the ref.
Maybe this team need the psychologist to get to work on one player in particular who's, I don't know, he just doesn't seem to be happy at work.
No, he sticks that like a sore thumb, really, and whether he's mates with his teammates off the pitch, I don't know, but on it, they're not gelling at all.
Munoz brought some width into this attack.
Oh, he's through.
Goodness, they needed him then to clear that.
Stefano Pettinari. Pulga.
Munoz.
Ramos.
And the attacker coming away with help on either side.
Very good challenge.
Joufre.
John Utaka. He goes for goal! He's got a chance to cross.
It's a very good piece of intercepting there. Munoz. Opportunity to cross it now. Well, he has got some support to his right.
Ah, that's a waste, too close to the goalkeeper.
Joufre.
That's gone back to him. Into the attacking third.
And he's knocked it out of play, the defender.
Gomez.
Bottinelli. Brilliant technique in the tackle. It's a quick break. He's gone for goal.
Never troubling the goalkeeper. Sliding in and getting the ball. It's a good example. We can see it again here.
Yeah, you don't see enough of it. I think players are discouraged from doing it because they usually get booked.
And this is Utaka.
Attacking now. Here's the cross. That's when a defender needs a clearance, and it was a good one. Into the face of the opposition. Conceding the corner, now they've got to deal with it, the defenders. Got to be. Not quite that knee over the ball thing that we were coached as youngsters, Alan, was it?
No, not quite. I mean, he took a chance. It was a wild slash at the ball.
A timely challenge. John Utaka. Goes for goal! Struck the post here. In with a chance. That's a brilliant goal.
And he's not hit it with power, has he? But he's certainly hit it with accuracy.
Well, that's the first goal of the game. It's 1-0. Bottinelli.
3 minutes of added time.
Ramos. Not panicking in possession here, keeping the ball, still looking for the chance. The referee has signalled for half-time, and it's 1-0 here. So rather stunned, the home support here. That goal so late in the first half. Great for the away team, though.
Oh, wasn't it just? I mean, they get a huge lift from that. And they wouldn't have wanted the half to come to an end, really. They'll be desperate to get out for the second half and try and get another one.
Taking place. Age 16.
Here's the kick-off here for the second half. Ramos. Here's the chance. It's easy to criticise, but his shooting is weak at the moment. Stefano Pettinari. Comes in with a tackle.
Managers can improve tactics, Alan, and they seem to need to do that, but what about getting the morale better there? The chemistry doesn't look great.
No, it doesn't, and I think the manager's got to look at that, maybe get a few out and bring a few in.
Well, chasing this equaliser, they've got a corner. Good, clean tackle. And the offside stops the play. Flag went up. Referee blew. And he's got the ball well to set his team on the front foot by intercepting. This could be a chance. He's in here. And he goes for the chip. Good footwork by the goalkeeper to to make sure that he got back and the ball didn't drop over him. It would have been embarrassing otherwise.
Yeah, I mean, he's a tall lad, the keeper, so it would have had to have been a spectacular effort to beat him.
Can he turn away from the challenge here? Bottinelli. He's got out of the way of that slide tackle. Clever.
Happy birthday to Mike Jones.
He's got that and cleared the ball away and saved his side from a difficult situation. Here's Gazzola, and it's presented to the player by the opposition. Stefano Pettinari. Fabulous clearance. The goalkeeper can come out, take a touch, pick it up when he wants. Stefano Pettinari. He's beaten his man. Well, that was the shot, and not a bad effort.
No, not bad, but under the circumstances for a player at this level, you would hope that he can work the keeper there.
It's back, it's their ball again, through good intercepting play. Good movement to get to it. Munoz. Great opportunity, got to be. And that's the goal that's brought them level.
And it's a gloriously composed side foot, that, isn't it, really taking the keeper out of the situation. He could do nothing to stop that.
Well, we're back at level pegging again at 1-1. Got support through the middle. This is going to be an interesting decision from the referee, San Milano. He's been shown a yellow card.
Yeah, I think that was a simple one, actually, for the ref. He was right on top of it.
Well, that's risky going in like that.
Well, he's dived in. It's a reckless one.
That's unusual. The players really climbing to get in the way of that free kick, which might have gone over them if they'd stayed on the ground. Corner given. Keeping the move going. Here's a shot. There's a chance maybe to get their noses in front. Didn't quite happen. There's no time to panic. There's still time to change this game.
It looks like the opposition is in for an aerial bombardment here, judging by the way the centre-halves are going forward.
That's one of the conditions, really, you find yourself playing under when you've been booked, not just worrying about a second yellow card, but you get into the manager's eyes as a player who could be replaced for safety's sake, so you're not happy, but he's going off.
Yeah, and it's a big bench these days, as we know, and it gives the manager a fair few options, and he's taken one of them.
It's very close to the end of the game. And it's still level, and we've been that way for some time. Is there a winner? Good strong tackle. Didn't hesitate, did he, with that challenge? Rojas. And the offside is given. Attack again, running out of time. The scores are level. Could this be the moment? We're going to play an extra 5 minutes of added time. Utaka.
Martinelli. He might be through. Here's the chance. It's where you want to try and get control. And that is the end. It's all over.
I hope you enjoyed your trip to our stadium. Thanks for coming.
One of the goalkeepers much busier than the other, but the game's ended level.
Yeah, and I mean, that goalkeeper that was busy, he's had a great day, hasn't he? Look at him, he's coming off the pitch with a big smile on his face.